Yes, my beautiful people, good afternoon, good afternoon. Yeah, man, right now, me debut. Yeah, man, welcome back to your channel, you know. Yeah, man, so right now, me go roast two breadfruit. Yeah, man, and pick two can or roast two can too. So, you know, journey with me as me show you what I go on. Understand? Yeah, man. Fire ready, you know, guys. Fire ready. Yep. Alright, so see the breadfruit them here. We have 5 lovely breadfruit. Yeah man, we are gonna roast them. I see me have a bucket of mango, yeah. Yeah man. Sister Joy, big up yourself, you know. Yeah man, respect for the mango them here from yesterday. Yeah? Yeah man. So guys, you know, stick and stay and watch what I go on. Fire read, big up yourself, Sir Mark. Big up, just the same. Alright guys, so see it there? Yeah man, the breadfruit them up on the fire roast, you know. Yes, my people, so see it there. Breadfruit them are roast up here now, you know. So guess what, I'll get the can them, you know. Yeah man. Now stick and stay and watch what I go on. Alright guys, so then the can field, you know. Yeah man, I want my bridging can field, you know. Yeah, one of them tell me say I can pick can anytime I want. Yeah man. Come here. So yes my people, you know the corn farm, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, come now. Yes guys, so they are pick some corn. See the guys are whole heap of corn the boat, you know. But boy, the dry weather take them up, you know, so if you reap them and pick them up fast. Man, see how some nice pumpkin they were dry up. Dry weather did kind of give you a beating, guys, so that's why, you know, them look so. Yeah man. Anyway guys, I'm gonna stick and stay and watch what I go on. Yes guys, so I'll give them the first turn, you know. Eh? Yeah man. It no matter man. Guys, see it there? Yeah man. Two of my brethren them carry piece of jackfruit come give me. Yeah man. Jackfruit sweet, you know guys. Yeah man. They're vanilla with the corn them there. Yeah man, I'm gonna roast them. Yes guys. See them there? Breadfruit them look really good. You know what them here would have nice with you now guys? Yeah man, some real curry chicken. Yeah. Stick and stay. Yeah man, my people, you see it? Time hot. Yo, look how me I sweat. Yeah man, I don't know anything going on. Yeah man, see it there? See the menu here now? Yeah, man. Roast corn, roast breadfruit. Yeah man. Big up on yourself whoever now watch from, you know. Yeah man. Alright my people, I want to know leave in the comment section, you know. If you know ever eat roast corn, or if you no ever actually roast the corn on yourself. Understand? Yeah man, so leave it in the comment section guys, let me know. See it there? On fire right now, along with the breadfruit. Breadfruit them soon can turn again, you know guys. Yeah man. Dervanique there guys. Yeah man, Dervanica say hello. Yeah. So yes my people. Yeah man, the breadfruit them actually roast now. And the corn them soon roast too. Yeah, as long as you have the right fire, the thing them will roast quick. Understand? But you have to watch them keenly in order for them not burn up. Yeah man, so you don't know the things that you know guys. Always I try new things, you know. Always I do the right, don't. Yeah man. So no stick and stay and watch what I go on. See it there guys. Jackfruit yellow and pretty.
I want to show them how I tried it and I did say I'm going to try it.
But guys, jackfruit them sweet like sugar. Yeah man. Would have to go dilute the jackfruit. Alright guys. So one of the breadfruit there. And the roast corn. The one of the breadfruit roast already. Alright guys, so see it there now. Yeah man, a 3 breadfruit we have leaving at the fire. Yeah man, the corn them come out, the corn them finish roast. Yeah man, so no stick and stay and watch what I go on for the thing, you know. Yeah man, so big up on yourself again, you know. Yeah, man, them they now go roast, you know guys. Them they know we are going to boil them. Yeah. Alright guys, see it there. Yeah, man, roast corn, you know. Ooh. Hot guys, hot. See it there? Yeah man, roast corn. Yeah. You ready guys, you ready, you ready? Alright guys, so see it there? Yeah man, breadfruit them finish roast, you know. Yeah man, so when you feel the breadfruit and the breadfruit actually get light, you know so them roast. Alright? Yeah man, so the corn you know guys. Yeah man. I roasted 4 corns. So this is the second one I'm eating now. Yeah man, so guys. Yeah man, thank you all for watching. Yeah man, always remember, like, comment, share and subscribe. Big up yourself.